This little 8-inch fry pan has become one of my favorites, so while I make some eggs, let me tell you what I actually think about it after 6 months of use, and whether I think HexClad is worth the premium price. First, I wouldn't buy this pan with expecting it to take it out of the box, throw anything in it, and then have it automatically behave like a traditional nonstick pan. HexClad actually gives instructions that are in the box for seasoning the pan first when you get it. I still use a little olive oil or butter when I'm cooking, sometimes due to flavor, but it does a really good job of releasing food and making an easier cleanup. For eggs, I normally cook over a medium heat. If I'm in a hurry, I might turn it up a little bit higher, but one of the things I really have liked about these pans is how evenly they cook. And after 6 months, that's probably one of the biggest reasons I keep reaching for them. And I even got rid of my old pans because of how much we love these. We use our HexClad pans for all different types of food, but this little 8-inch pan has become one of my favorites for scrambled and fried eggs. We use the bigger ones for things like sandwiches and making grilled cheeses, hamburgers, but this little one is small, easy to grab, and just the right size when I'm cooking for myself. For over medium eggs, though, I do use the little rings to keep their shape. I'll link them below, too, because they're really cool. But if I'm making 2 at a time, I'll move up to the 10-inch HexClad so I have a little more room for cooking. So after 6 months of regular use, would I buy the HexClad again? Absolutely. I've also done a full review of all the HexClad cookware I own, so if you're seriously considering buying a HexClad, watch that next. And if you're specifically interested in this 8-inch HexClad pan, I'll leave a link below so you can find it easily. And this is what the pan actually looks like when I'm finished cooking. I think it's important to show you because HexClad is so expensive.